Hi guys, it's Lara. Thank you all for watching and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a very quick and easy tutorial. Today we're gonna make together a paw balm, which is something I like making for our husky. So last year we adopted a Siberian husky from a shelter. His name is Shadow. He's wonderful. We love him so much. You can follow him on Instagram and on TikTok if you're interested. I will link both down below. And the thing is, whenever I'm treating his paws with a balm, he likes to lick his paws. And I was always worried about the ingredients because I don't want him to get sick. So it was always important to me to buy a balm that has natural ingredients, but they can be pretty pricey. And then I looked at the ingredients and I thought, like, you know what? I can make that myself. And I thought I will share this with you. So if you want to know how to make a very easy and natural paw balm for your pupper, then please keep watching. So the ingredients that I like using are coconut oil, olive oil, and candelilla wax. The wax is the thing that makes the balm quite solid so that you can have it in a jar so that it doesn't get spilled. And you can of course vary the oils. You can use either just olive oil or just coconut oil. I like mixing both. That's of course up to you. And I will write down below in the video description the ratio, and now I'm gonna show you how I make the balm. For our today's project, I will be working with the double boiler method, which is basically a pot with hot water and a second pot that you need to place so that it gets warmed up by the water.
Shadow, are you trying to help us?
The important thing is that the second pot doesn't touch the bottom. You want it to be warmed up only by the water because that's so much more gentle for the oils so that they can't overheat. The water just started boiling, so I turned the heat off only to keep it warm. And now I'm gonna place a little bit less than a tablespoon of candelilla wax into this pot, and I'm going to let it melt. And since the water is already hot, you will see that it starts melting pretty quickly. And once the wax is melted, I will add 1 full tablespoon of coconut oil, and then you can add either a second tablespoon of coconut oil, but I will add a tablespoon of olive oil. And I will stir properly. Since the oils were cold, some of the chunks of the candelilla wax got a little bit solid again, so I need to let it heat up shortly until everything will be liquid and diluted well. And once that will be the case, I can turn off the heat. And now all I have to do is to grab the pot with the oil mixture and I'll pour it into my jar. And this now only needs to cool off and then it's ready to use. After only about 20 minutes, it is clearly visible that the paw balm is slowly getting solid. You can use the balm not only for your dog's paws, but also for the snout. And if you tend to have super dry hands, you can use that as a hand lotion before you go to bed. And that's especially great if your dog likes to lick your hands after you used a hand lotion, because again, you don't have to worry about your dog getting sick because it's just 3 simple, natural, safe ingredients. And that's gonna be it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I'll have a new sewing tutorial for you soon. And I'm also always continuously working on my platform for sewing beginners, which is linked down below. And I will also blend in here on the screen the homepage if that's something that's interesting for you. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you can also hit the bell icon if you wanna get that notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys so much. God bless you and see you soon. Bye!